In this video, we'll explore how to integrate Segmind's AI models into your N8N workflows using HTTP request node. Segmind provides a comprehensive suite of pre-trained models for image generation, text processing, and other AI tasks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to authenticate with and consume these APIs within your automation workflows on N8N. First, navigate to the Segmind Models page, where you'll find an extensive catalog of AI models categorized by functionality like image, text, audio, and video generation. Then, select the model you want to integrate into N8N. For this demonstration, we are using SegFit, which is Segmind's proprietary virtual try-on model. Once on the Models page, navigate to the API Documentation tab. The API tab displays the complete request specification for the endpoint. Select the curl format for easier integration. When making API requests, you must configure two essential components. First is the request headers, containing authentication and content type specifications. Second is the request body, containing the input parameters as the JSON payload. The headers must include your Segmind API key for authentication and specify the content type. Now, let's configure our N8N instance. In the node palette, locate and add an HTTP request node. This node will handle the API authentication and communication with the Segmind endpoint. Return to the Segmind API documentation. Copy the curl request and paste it into the import curl field within the HTTP request node configuration. Click Import to automatically populate the headers and body parameters. You'll notice the API key placeholder in the header section. Replace this with your actual Segmind API key. The content type header may not be automatically imported, so manually add a new header parameter with the key content type and value application JSON. Ensure exact spelling and formatting, as any discrepancies will result in API errors. The request body now contains all the required parameters that will be transmitted in the API call. Let's test the node configuration. Initially, you may encounter an authorization failed. Please check your credentials error if the API key hasn't been configured properly. Insert your valid Segmind API key to resolve this. Please note, for production environments, we strongly recommend implementing API key authentication through N8N's credential system rather than hard-coding keys and headers.